Hello everyone, we're here to discuss about a correction of the finger bones in Metahuman. First, let's open the Animcraft panel. Then open the Metahuman editing tool. Let's go through the previous steps again. We select this DNA and mark the model. Then import directly. I won't demonstrate the blend shape creation here for now. Let's skip this step and continue with automatic placement. And then we delete the RBF. And then fix the bone orientation. And then create the RBF. Now let's switch to the Other Tools tab. And then let's show the joints. Now we can correct the orientation of our finger bones. For example, let's do a fist pose. First we select these, then rotate to take a look. You can see that there are some problems. For example, this one looks like that. Need to be corrected. So what do we do now? First we have to record this joint. We select this joint. Click on Record. After recording, the orientations information of the child joints are recorded. At this point, we can fix it by rotation. For example, we rotate by this angle. The child joints will also rotate accordingly, but we can ignore that. Then continue with the rotation. After the rotation, when you feel the angle is correct, that's the direction of the finger rotation. Then click Restore. It will restore the orientations of all child joints. If everything alright, then, click the refresh. It will write that information back into the RBF. At this point, the bone is corrected. We can see that its x-axis points to the next bone. The same goes for the child, but we can see that the last end joint doesn't actually point to the next one. It's a relatively random orientation, because it can have different angles depending on the positioning. So, how do we correct it? Similarly, we're still on this page. Then we click on Record Joint Position. This is similar to recording joint information previously. So which one's axis are we going to copy to this one? We're going to use the axis of its parent joint, because you can see it's pointing at it. We're just going to use the same axis as its parent. We're going to use it. Now let's look at its x-axis direction. It's actually slightly incorrect. Then let's click Apply. You can see that it is corrected now. It's fixed. This way, its axis will be exactly the same as the parent joints. This completes the correction of the entire finger joints. Other joints, or other finger joints, can be used the same method. Thank you.